In this tutorial, I show you how you can set your Firefox browser to automatically start whenever you power on your computer. Now, this works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. To do that, it is pretty much easy. Just go to Start menu here, and then under Search, just type Run. And here it is. Now, go ahead and type in shell :startup like this, and then click on OK. Now, this will open this folder where we can add all the apps or programs that you want to set up automatically whenever the computer is powered on. And to do so, it is quite easy. Just head over to your Firefox shortcut, and mine is here. So right click on it, and then go ahead and copy. Once you're done, come here and paste. But in case you can't see your Firefox browser here, head over to Start menu, and then search for Firefox. And as you can see, it is here. Now from here, right click on it, then click on Open File Location. Here you'll be able to see your Firefox among the programs. Right click on it, then copy, and then come here and paste it under this folder. And now Firefox has successfully been added to programs that should start up automatically whenever our computer is powered on. Now from here, each time you start your computer, Firefox will automatically open. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.